schifo, disgraziato, schifo, disgraziato, cornuto e bestia, tutte quante. Imagine this. First thing in the morning, you gotta wake up to this. My wife and my kids still sleeping. I'm walking in this sleep. Come on, Avanabo. Hello. Hello, this is Vito. This is Vito. From 130 10th Street. Yes. Yes. Can you hear this? Hear that? They're opening up the streets of my house at 7:45 in the morning. Isn't there an ordinance saying that you're not supposed to even start work until 8 o'clock? I don't know, 15 minutes is 15 minutes. Stop on now. What are you talking about? Who is this? This is the dispatcher, right? What do you mean, what do I want you to do? Who am I going to go? I'm going to go to somebody. Fai schifo e tu quando qualcuno te fai schifo. Disgraziato cornuto e face. This is Vito from Jersey. You tell me what you think. You can't get over this.